In this video, we are going to simplify the expression 128 to the power of 8, multiplied by 625 to the power of 13, multiplied by 1000 to the power of negative 17. Let's break it down step by step and apply some powerful exponent rules to make it simple. First, we note that 128 is equal to 2 to the power of 7, 625 is equal to 5 to the power of 4, and 1000 is equal to 10 to the power of 3. So, our expression becomes 2 to the power of 7, all raised to the power of 8, multiplied by 5 to the power of 4, all raised to the power of 13, multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, all raised to the power of negative 17. Now, using the rule of exponents which says that a to the power of b, all raised to the power of c, is equal to a to the power of b times c, we get 2 to the power of 56, multiplied by 5 to the power of 52, multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 51. Next, we know that 10 to the power of negative 51 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 51 times 5 to the power of negative 51, by using the exponent rule, a times b, all to the power of c, equals a to the power of c, times b to the power of c. So, our expression becomes 2 to the power of 56, times 5 to the power of 52, times 2 to the power of negative 51, times 5 to the power of negative 51. Now, by rearranging the terms, we have 2 to the power of 56 times 2 to the power of negative 51, multiplied by 5 to the power of 52 times 5 to the power of negative 51. Then, using another exponent rule, which says a to the power of b times a to the power of c equals a to the power of b plus c, we find that our expression is equal to 2 to the power of 56 plus negative 51, multiplied by 5 to the power of 52 plus negative 51. Simplifying the exponents gives 2 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 1. Finally, that equals 32 times 5, which gives 160. So, the final result of the expression 128 to the power of 8 times 625 to the power of 13 times 1000 to the power of negative 17 is 160. And there you have it. A long and complex looking expression reduced to just 160. If you enjoyed this step-by-step explanation, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next math tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.